How to pause recordings in your OBS Studio. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are not updated with this update of the OBS Studio whereby you can pause recordings, here is the tutorial for it. Let's start by opening your OBS Studio. Now on the right side of the screen, you will see the option of Start Recording or Start Streaming. Once you do so, you must see a small section of the pause button. As you can see, the recording has been started. If you tap on the pause button, it will be paused and it will be notified as well. This way you can pause or unpause the recording at any time. However, if you cannot find this option, here is a way that you can try on. So for that option, go to Files and then go to Settings. Now go to Output and then go to Recording. Under the recording, you must see an option of pause recordings. Make sure to enable it. However, if you cannot find that, let's move on to the next solution. For this, you can tap on Hotkeys and there you will see an option of pause recording. You can now set up a hotkey or press any key which can be used in order to pause recordings. You can select on any key of the keyboard for doing so. You can do the same for unpausing the recording as well. So once you tap on any of the keys that you want as hotkeys for pause and unpause, select on apply and then OK. This way the hotkeys for pause recording will be started. Now that you press the hotkeys that you have set up, you will notice that the pause and unpause will be working. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.